Okay, 4 weeks in, and wow, that's where we're working. That's where the water tank's set, and there was basically nothing. Kitchen's starting to come, believe it or not. Got that partial wall there. Oh, where'd the window go? Alright. What a mess. I think I can... Oh, look at the new supports there. There and there. And that framing is all new up there. So we're getting close to putting in the wall. Get this floor down right there. It'll be nice and strong, hopefully. Got the this is straightened out, sort of. Alright, generator door, or lack thereof. Alright, this is week 4, I believe. And the supports are gone for the front end. That part's done. We're gonna... the wiring. Ah, nice. Okay. Week 4. To be continued.